Hello everyone. Today we will be focusing on developing biotechnology used to produce meat in laboratories. We refer to this innovation as cultured meat produced from cellular agriculture, which would be a substitute for animal husbandry. The bioprocess starts with sourcing cells by either taking a tissue biopsy from livestock or using induced pluripotent stem cells, otherwise known as iPSCs. Then, these cells need to be proliferated using culture media and bioreactors so that they can differentiate into mature cells and form tissues later. Finally, a scaffold is made to enhance muscle tissue formation to achieve the characteristics of naturally obtained meat. What is the difference between stem cells and iPSCs? iPSCs are genetically modified somatic cells that have undergone cell reprogramming to have the ability to divide continuously and differentiate into all the cell types present in meat. This is very useful in cellular agriculture. Stem cells, on the other hand, will differentiate into different cell types according to their function and have a limited proliferative capacity. Moving on to how these cells can be scaled up, we find that bioreactors are crucial for these cells to interact and grow. However, current models of bioreactors are not effective enough for producing large amounts of cultured meat. Fluidized bed bioreactors and hollow fiber membrane bioreactors might be more effective as they are suited for these cell types and properties. In order to support tissue formation, scaffolds have to be engineered. Scaffolds enable fiber alignment, cell adhesion, and porosity for nutrients to diffuse into cells. Most importantly, they influence the 3D structure and cellular arrangement of the meat and have to be biodegradable and edible. Now, let's see how this solution benefits us. With increasing demand for meat production, the traditional ways of obtaining livestock meat may no longer be useful for the upcoming generations. In 2019, the UK agricultural sector accounted for 10% of the total greenhouse gas emissions, with methane emissions contributing considerably to this figure. Methane is more than 28 times as potent as carbon dioxide at trapping radiation in the atmosphere. Cultured meat is beneficial as it uses up to 99% less land and causes 96% less greenhouse gas emissions than most traditional meat products. However, there are a few challenges to this approach. The main challenge is to produce cultured meat at a much larger scale and still be affordable, which can be achieved by theoretical bioreactors still being researched. It also requires a lot of energy, and if conventional production decreases due to this solution, more land will be available to harvest bioenergy. It is also hard to replicate livestock meat characteristics and satisfy people's needs with increasing ethical concerns. Overall, this solution offers a sustainable, nutritious, and animal-friendly source of protein that reduces the environmental impacts of the food industry. Thank you!